This might be the fastest bike I've ever ridden. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm back on the R7. We got RBK back there on the Ducati, man. We got some cool bikes with us today. Give me a minute and I'll tell you a little bit more about what's happening today and why I'm on this bike. I'll also tell you why I'm not wearing any gloves. This bike does not stand a chance versus the old Ducati, but I will try. What is this? Oh, they're peppers. Dude, those are good looking peppers.
Excuse me, gentlemen. Can you guys have a spare few dollars for gas today, please?
Not me.
Sorry. Suburban Delinquent. What's up?
What's up, man? How are you? Oh wait, we gotta do our intro. Shit! I once called this thing a tank and people got all pissed off at me. You know what it is?
A troop transport.
RBK, do you remember the last time we were right here?
Yeah, I do.
Sidecar Bob? You know where we're going today?
Where are we going today?
I don't know. I'm leaving that up to you. The only thing I want to do today, I'm going to go see Bob, and then I lost my gloves. I want to go hit Cycle Gear and get some new gloves, but I'm going to leave food up to you.
I'll figure it out. Different from Suburban Delinquent, maybe.
That scares me. In the meantime, I'm on the R7 today. I got a little tired of the Triumph. I like the Triumph. I'm just tired of it. And Lap offered me the R7 for a bit. You want to ride that to the Tribuco General Store? You'll love it. All right, let's do it. Anything weird about this thing? Oh shit, I realized I've never ridden this bike before.
Just like every other bike.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. Ducati Panigale V4. Oh man.
Yep.
There we go. She's a loud one. Woo! Wow. Whoa. Oh my God. This might be the fastest bike I've ever ridden. Whoa. This is a serious machine. RBK's riding that R7. It's like slow motion compared to this bike. Super bummed that I'm not wearing gloves. It feels so weird. I'm probably at this very moment the only dude on the earth riding around a Ducati Panigale V4 without any gloves on. I'm wearing some bands too, look. Wow. It's kind of a big deal.
Yeah.
Thanks for letting me ride this thing.
I'm super impressed with how smooth the transmission is on that.
Yeah, Yamaha's always had pretty good transmissions.
Very smooth. Very smooth.
Hola, Neil.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up? What's up, Babalo? What do we got today? Some Trump sticks. Jobs. I can appreciate a good political sticker. All behind the counter stuff. All right, thanks, man. All right, we got stuff. Hey, Suburban, my name's Shane. Really like your brand a lot. I'd love to meet you and talk some collaboration. I have a social media following. Let's get together. Contact me. Shane Sting TV. Shane, I'm gonna look you up. Check the DMs. Thanks for the note. So what else do we got? What? KF Armory Defense. That's cool. Dear Sub D, enjoy your channel, sir. Ride safe as always. God bless. Via YouTube. Mikey Ducati. I rode a Ducati today, Mikey. And it looks like I got a wedding invitation. Maybe. All right. What do we got? Oh, there's a crispy 20. Subdy, enjoy the best coffee in all the land. Love the vids. Look us up in Wyoming. We'll blow your mind. Lost Cabin Coffee. I like coffee. Like 20 bucks too. Get lost. Lost Cabin Coffee. All right. Dude, thanks. Let's see. Uh-oh. Is there another note? One last note. Yep. Hey, Subdy, I'm just visiting from Nebraska. Thought we'd stop and say hi to Bob. Keep up the good work. Love your videos. Bailey. Hopefully Bob was good to you. He's kind of a bitch lately. But yeah, everybody, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And always, if you want to leave money, you don't have to leave it here with Bob. You can put it behind the counter and it'll be protected and they'll give it to me when I get in, like you just saw. Thank you so much. This will definitely offset the day's expenses. Later on, Babalo, you've had the cucumber. I don't think you cared for it.
Bug spray.
I like this. I thought this was amazing.
What?
You haven't had this yet?
What is it?
Like, it's one of a kind. The Bear.
How you doing, man?
Good. How about you?
Good.
Thanks, man. Later. What's up, buddy?
Can I join you guys?
Yeah, of course. Have a seat.
I was like, hey, another R7. Makes sense now. It's the Lap Motorsports one, right?
That's the one. Yeah. And you're on that MT-07?
FZ09, yeah.
Those are crazy. Johnny's got one.
Yeah, the Johnny.
And
He
it,
crashed his though, right?
yeah, he crashed it. All right, Chris, good seeing you again.
For sure.
You thought about lunch at all?
I know where we're going for lunch.
All right, tell me after Cycle Gear. Tell you, man, out of all the bikes I've ever ridden, this is way up there. This bike is just fun, man. It's tame, it's not crazy, it's predictable, super nimble. That sounds awesome. It's got that Two Brothers Racing pipe. Intersection? All right, it's gonna be tough. Steve wants the rematch. He won't look over here. He knows. He knows. Thanks, man. Thanks.
Oh, something liquid?
Yeah. What's up, brother? How are you?
Hey, I checked out that cucumber soda yesterday.
What'd you think, dude? Liked it?
Yeah, I like it. You guys just riding around right here?
Yeah, I lost my gloves, so I gotta buy gloves.
Nice. Hey, nice riding though.
Appreciate it. Later. You gotta be kidding me. Gloves are like 30 bucks.
Need any help or anything? You all right?
Yeah, I just need a cheap pair of gloves. Where's your cheapest gloves?
You want like the dirt bike style or more
Yeah.
like the street? You want really cheap?
Yeah, really cheap.
On the other side? Like these ones. They're like 15, 13 bucks.
Oh, nothing wrong with those.
Leather's tricky because it breaks in really fast. So it'd be hard to resell it.
Works for me.
There you go. Got an account here with us?
No, could I just pay?
Yeah.
Thanks.
$16.50.
Hey, that's sick. That's my MT-07. This is my first time seeing the R7 in person.
Dude, this thing is great.
Yeah.
You can sit on it and stuff if you want.
You don't mind?
No, I don't care.
It is
Light, huh?
Wow. Lighter than that bike, isn't it?
I love that bike. I got the black one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's nice.
All right, I'm going to continue on with this video. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Khalil.
Khalil?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, brother. Thanks for watching. It means a lot. I forgot to ask you how you felt about your soda. Scarlet Red, I think.
It was awesome. I will definitely get that again.
I love that
So
soda.
good.
I love.
That's actually, I might have to make that a regular thing.
All right, RBK. We're quite hungry. I haven't had a thing to eat. Where are we going for lunch?
We're going to the Pelican Hill.
We're getting to the expensive part of town. Expect to see some high-end cars. C63, nice. All right, Pelican Grill. Where can we park?
You can park. There's a self-parking garage right down there. Anything to the left, you guys can pull in there.
Thanks, right here? Let's put my brand new gloves right here and see if they're here when I come out. All right, RBK. I had a fun day out on the bikes today.
It was a good full day.
I finally got to ride your machine.
How did you like that?
We're gonna put amazing right here. We're gonna put that experience right there.
Wow.
So a couple steps above amazing. I kind of hate that I wrote it.
Makes you want it.
That's the standard now, you know, and I'm used to riding substandard motorcycles, apparently. You know, my motorcycle, my GSXR, I always felt like that was the standard. And now the standard's up there. The GSX, I'm just kidding. That GSXR will fucking run laps around this bike. I don't even care. Look, you could tell me right now, you'll take the GSXR and you'll give me that. I wouldn't do it. I know you wouldn't do it either. But if you really wanted to, I still wouldn't do it. She's mine. We're not trading, so don't even ask. Don't even ask.
I'm not going to ask.
Well, good, because you already know the answer. You took me to Pelican Hill for lunch.
Yeah.
This is not McDonald's, that is for sure.
This was a different experience for the channel.
You know, we ate these glorious cheeseburgers, which we'll get into in a second, overlooking the Newport coast. Beautiful people everywhere. Everybody's having a good time. The biggest TV screen I've ever seen in my life. I thought it was a projection TV, but it wasn't. Not just the one, there was two. That was an experience all in itself. We kept it simple. We got some waters. we got cheeseburgers and fries. RBK, what did that come out to?
The burgers were $60.
$60 minus tip, minus tax.
It was one of the best burgers I've ever had.
I'd come back for it again. It was so expensive that I wanted to hate it. I couldn't find anything that I didn't like about it. So I say it's a win.